Hi guys, it's Chelle and Clint.
Hey guys.
Sorry, I'm inside. So I'm going to do a full flip through of this. I haven't quite finished decorating it, but since I did say I was going to have it up on Sunday, and I was sick all day yesterday, I wanted to go ahead and put it up. So this will come with a tassel, and I will put that, well, you'll see it in tomorrow's video most likely. And then I'll put some beads down here, but I just wanted to kind of point some things out to you guys that I needed to do. For the most part it's done, but I just need to put on some finishing touches. So if it's one you're interested in, if not, we can wait. So full flip through, it's about 9.5, 10 inches tall, 2-inch spine, 6 inches wide, and Clint made the cover, and so these are little pinwheels that he made, and we turned it into an eclectic journal, which I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so cool. So this goes inside here. Sorry, hope you can see it all. Just a little journaling card, well, pretty large one. I wanted something large so it wouldn't like just fall out. Then we have beautiful pieces in here, beautiful fabrics, and I didn't glue it like all the way over, that way if it bothers you, you can trim it or take it out. Belly band with one of those one little journaling cards that we made. That's kind of fun. Bunch of tabs. You can see all the tabs, which are gorgeous. And then we have a couple of these in here. So these are secret journaling spots. I turn them into paper clips. There's a magnet, so it magnetizes, and then there's a little journaling piece in there. So fun. Papers, beautiful papers in here. This one, I'll probably still put a card there. It's really full, so I'm not sure, but I will send some things along. If I don't get a card in there, then you can put one in here. This is a secret journaling tag, so it just pulls out. You can journal on both sides. There'll be a few of these in here, and that just goes there.
Hi Lucy Lou.
Beautiful
tab.
This is a secret tag spot. This piece comes out, but by looking at it you can't really tell that it's a secret journaling.
What you doing to her leg?
Oh, come on, there you go.
Good job.
More tags or tabs. These, I still need to pull all these out, and I'm just going to cover them with this paper, and then I'm going to put eyelet in each one of them, and then like a little tassel, not tassel, but a little ribbon, yeah, whatever. And then it's supposed to, there it is. It magnetizes in so that these don't fall out. So I'm still going to do that. Here is a fabric flip, which is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I tell you, we're inside and the cats are like crazy. This is that one that I shellified. So it just hangs over your page. Oops, see, that didn't work very well. Then there's a little tab or a little place for tags inside both sides. And then I'll thinking I might want like a button or something. I don't know. I haven't figured this one out. But I think a little button put on here would work.
Here's the involved.
And this will snap back on. Sorry, we do have the cats. And then this has a magnet in it, and so it just hangs over your page like that.
Hey Gracie. Grace.
Okay. Daddy's going to keep them entertained for me. Then this is a little secret journaling spot. So there's one there, and there'll be something there. Now this did have that one little piece on it, but it just added so much bulk, I took it out. But I will include it, that way you can, oh, I should have pulled this out first. There we go. Okay, then we have this journaling card, which I absolutely love. So you want to pull this out first before you pull that down. You'll figure it out though if you end up with this one. But beautiful. And then there's 2 signatures. So there's about 98 to 100 pages in here. Is that right? 12 times 2 is 24, times 2 is 48, times 2 is 96-ish pages. We have this. I haven't covered this yet, but I'm still planning on it. I think I'm just going to cover it with a little bit of the fabric, just to cover, you know, hide them. This is one I designed, and this is a secret journaling spot. Or you could put pictures or whatever you want. I love this one though. I think that's so cool.
That's so neat.
And then there's a place here, and I'll decorate that too. Like I said, I ended up with a cold yesterday, and I ended up sleeping most of the day.
We both did. It was nice.
Yeah, and I didn't want to promise you something and then not follow through, so I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and finish it later. Another journaling card. That one kind of glued down. There we go. Beautiful pages. Here's another one of those secret journaling made out of the cards. Here's a little tag, or a tuck spot there, and then another one of those ones. I love those. Those are so fun. Middle of the signature, again, I'll put beads and stuff on that. Fabric flip. I love these fabrics. Another one of those secret tags, so it just pops in there, you can't see it. Another, I made a pocket out of that. I just thought that went so well with this journal, so I loved it. Another tab. And this is that one that I designed. It's that big one that you pull, then you pull this out, you can journal. And then you put this one back in. And it just slides there, and then you can use that piece as a little pocket if you want. And it just looks like that. Uh-oh, they're getting tempted.
She's watching it. She's over there.
And then this one I made has a magnet. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in the... Has a pocket down here. This piece has a little part there, a little pocket in there. These 2 open, little pockets on either side, and 2 pockets in the center. There's a lot going on in this journal.
Wow.
And then this is the other little card that I made. And it's just a little journaling card. But I think it's so cool. Holy moly, that thing is large. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, this will go up sometime this afternoon. I'm going to say after 4 o'clock.
Yeah, because we're going to lay down.
Because I'm not feeling that great. But yeah, it'll go up in the Etsy store after 4 o'clock. I'm not sure when, just whenever I get it up. So, but if you're interested, that's where it will be. There will be a link below. And this is how full it is right now. So I won't add a lot more to it, but I do want to decorate these guys, these little tags, and then I do want to put a tassel and put some beads on the bottom. But other than that, it's done. So hope you guys like it. And like I said, head on over there. This I will just include in your pile of goodies. And then you can put it wherever you want to. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this journey. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for visiting. Cousins, everyone.
Cousins.